What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Yes. Today is a good day. 1, Big Sean's album is already out. And 2, I'm recording my first vlog. And 3, season 2, baby. Yeah, so my season 2 stickers, all 7 of them are coming in the mail. So I'm gonna vlog the unboxing of that, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I do as an artist. Yeah, everything. Like, I'm gonna show you what I'm doing, what I'm working on, what I'm eating, what I'm gonna do. I'm going to the gym later. I'll take you guys along with me. I'm gonna move to my little workspace in the backyard. I'll show you guys. It's pretty dope. See, this little workspace is fire because I got my standing desk right here. Standing desk for my bar, whatever it is. And then I have my computer, and then I open up my laptop, so it's for like a dual monitor. Yeah, and I like it because we get sunlight through there. Shout out to Diane and her family for building this. Go, 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 go. They be chilling with me when I work. It's pretty fun. Or it's pretty calming. Come on, come on. Time to poo. Oh yeah. Peep the slippers though. What are those? Bro, pick a spot. So, September is a really big month for me. For those of you guys that don't know, I quit my job in the end of June. So since July, I've been doing my art full time. September is supposed to be a big month because that's when I'm releasing the season 2 stickers. I'm getting back on YouTube. I'm like starting to record and edit all my videos. I'm waiting till I get a good amount saved up before I relaunch my YouTube. And I'm making my website too. Let me give you guys a preview. Yeah. It's pretty sick, man. I made this from scratch, dude. And when you guys do get on this website, make sure you read this about me, because this is like a good synopsis of what my life has been. Oh shoot, look what came in the mail. Damn, I'm dark. I thought I was gonna lighten up, but I stayed dark. Okay. So I definitely want to take advantage of natural lighting. Let me bring y'all closer. The socks and slipper combos. Woo! These are the perfect size. I got my Totodile one right here, or Sausadile. And I got these little, oh, hold on. This one is the top secret one. Sakurita right here. Naru Quill. And then we got my Iron Scissor. Deku. 100% form. Got him throwing the mean hooks, you feel me? Zenetsu. Oh, but let me show you the special edition. These 3-inch minis. This one is a spot holographic, alright? So it's only holographic on some parts. Woo! This is fire. And I got a little small one, so you know, they cute, and then they can go on pretty much anything. I'm gonna take advantage of the sunlight up top, and then take all my pictures that I need to put on my website. Let's get it. Alright, I just took all my pics. I'm gonna go cook something real quick because I'm about to go gym. We got a back day today. I put these 2 right here because I'm gonna put the Sausadile on my car. And then when you flip it, I got the Oppa sticker, but guess what I'm gonna put right here for season 3? Woo! All right, time to cook. I'm about to show y'all my quick ass meal. Boom, spinach. Fat-free cheese everywhere. 2 eggs. Light mayo. Ham on the cheese side, and then you're gonna put the eggs on the mayo side. Tired. We ended up doing like 2 more bicep workouts and then some cardio, but now I'm gonna go wash my car so I can put my new stickers on. Ah, goodbye Squillin'. You were dope while you lasted. Bruh, you could definitely reuse this. Good job, Camry. You got a new sticker.
Responsibilities, you can hold it down. Know it's a lot on your mind. I need your focus now. I need that.
Oh shit, damn it. Ah. deserved meal.